Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily log out of all devices on Hotstar. For that, just go to hotstar.com on your web browser. Then log into your website using a phone number. After that, after logging, the following will be visible. When you'll keep the cursor here, you can see the watch list, my account and logout is visible. We need to log out from all the devices. Let's say we have Hotstar app also and on our TV also. So we need to log out from all these devices including the desktop. For that, go to my account. After reaching my account, my details will be visible, my plan details and other details. Go to bottom. On reaching bottom, you can see logout all devices is visible. Logout all devices is visible. Just need to click on it. After that, from your TV, laptop as well as mobile app, the Hotstar will log off. Let's say you have given your Hotstar to your friends. It will get logged out from there itself. So guys, in this video, we saw how we can easily log out from all devices on Hotstar. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.